The world is watching, and India is at the center of it. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Atri, and on December 4th to 5th, Russian President Mr. Vladimir Putin will land in India for an annual India-Russia summit. Well, this is his first visit since the Ukraine war erupted in February 2022, and the stakes, they are sky high. Let me tell you why this matters a lot. This does because the global balance is shifting. India has been a long-time buyer of Russian military hardware, but now New Delhi is carefully recalculating, trying to reduce reliance on Moscow while still keeping its strategic edge. And here's where the US comes in. Donald Trump has made his position crystal clear. Stop buying Russian oil immediately. Pay extra if you don't. He even slapped 25% secondary tariff on Indian purchases. The US sees this summit as a direct challenge to its influence in this particular region. A show of India-Russia closeness, it can now shock Trump, proving that New Delhi will make sovereign decisions regardless of American pressure here. Over 2 intense days, India and Russia will review every single thing, be it defense cooperation, be it energy deals, be it hydrocarbon and energy, be it space technology, trade agreement, and of course, the spotlight is on next-generation air defense, including the Russia's S-500 system, one of the most advanced in the world. But wait, here's the geopolitical drama. If India strikes new deal with Russia, it's more than just business. It's a political signal to the US as well. India is independent in defense and energy policy. Now here, Trump's pressure tactic may not sway New Delhi. The world sees India as a major global power, not just a US ally here. So the big questions that are looming are, will India deepen defense ties with Russia despite of the US objection? Will energy deals go forward, defying the Trump's tariff war? Could the summit reshuffle alliances in Asia and beyond? Well, one thing is very clear, the world will be watching New Delhi like never before, because in these 2 days, decisions here could shock Trump, reshape the global energy market and redefine the military alliances.